CSS help you to position your HTML elements. You can put any HTML elements at whatever location you like. There are three types of position in CSS that use to position our HTML elements, which is one is absolute position, second one is relative position, and the third one is the fixed position. So in this video we're gonna be look at the absolute position. Before we want to do that, I'm just go to my project folder and to create a new HTML file to demonstrate this CSS position. So it will be better to understanding you guys. So I'm just copy this HTML document from here and paste it right after it and rename this to index-position. And right click on this file and open it in Notepad++. Now in this file I'm gonna remove this whole bunch of stuff from here because we already have this elements in our index.html file, so we do not need this in here. We just demonstrate our CSS position elements in this HTML file. So first of all, I'm gonna open a div, give it a class, let's say John, close the div, and between the div let's just type something. Hi, my name is John. And copy this div and paste it right after it and change the class to Anna and also change the name to Anna. Save the file and go to our CSS file, and after this box2 class just add the class called John, and let's just add something like a border. Let's add border something like 4 pixel, make it larger so it will be more clear to you guys. Solid, and give it a color to green, semicolon, and then we just type position, and in the position property we just type the value is absolute, and let's give the width and height also. Width to 250 pixel and make a height to 270 pixel. I also give a margin top, let's type top to 50 pixel and margin left to let's say 75 pixel. Save the file and go to our project folder and double click on this file to open this up in the browser, and let's see how it look like. So here is our first div, which is John, and we have a solid green color 4 pixel border around it. So let's do some styling with this div as well. So just copy this whole bunch of code from here and paste it right after it and change the class name to Anna, and Also change the border color to red or whatever color you want, and position is absolute. Make the top margin of 30 pixel and on the left margin let's say 55 pixel, and save the file. And let's just go to our browser and refresh the page and let's see what happening. Now as you can see here, if I zoom on a little bit so it can be more clear and readable to you guys, as you can see here, now our two divs are overlapping to each other. So this is the absolute position. When you apply the absolute position on a HTML element, it will does not care about any other element on that web page. It's just position those element on the absolutely what you are typing on your CSS. As you can see here, the second div, which is called Anna, are positioned absolutely on the 30 pixel top and 55 pixel left. It does not care there is another div called John on its way. It just overlapping the John element and position itself on the absolute way. So you can use this property to position your HTML elements on the absolutely whatever you want.